Hi, Apollo Beach K-8 students, and hi, Jocelyn. Thank you so much for joining us.
Hi, Amy. Hi, Apollo Beach K8. I'm author Jocelyn Watkinson, and Amy Nielsen is my literary agent.
Yes, I am, and I am enjoying every moment of it. Jocelyn is an amazing writer. So, Jocelyn, can you tell the Apollo Beach K-8 students the types of books that you write?
Absolutely. I am primarily a rhymer. I write rhyming picture books. My two published books are The Three Canadian Pigs. There we go. A hockey story. And then my second book is Travel Guide for Monsters, Part Deux, a Canadian adventure. And I co-wrote this one with my friend Lori Degman, who actually wrote the original Travel Guide for Monsters book. So those are my two published books.
So, what inspired you to want to be a writer?
I never thought I would be a writer. It was something that I took up as a hobby when I moved far away from my friends and family, and I kind of found myself with a lot of time on my hands. And I had a little 3-year-old at the time, and we were reading a lot of picture books, and I thought I could do this too. So it was the idea of being able to create something and hold it in my hand, and it was kind of my goal.
Well, I've told Miss Jocelyn this many times, but if you like hockey, this is a great book. This was one of the only books I gave my son for Christmas one year because I loved it so much and I had to get it. So it's really great.
Thank
So,
you.
what advice do you have for students that aspire to be writers?
Well, there's lots of advice you could give, but my biggest piece of advice is always make sure you have a piece of paper and a pen with you in case you get a good idea and you write it down so you don't forget, because that's the biggest mistake you can make is have a great idea and then forget what the idea is. So I would say that for sure. But from a school perspective, you want to make sure you're really studying hard to learn proper grammar and spelling and learning how to be a good storyteller. So read, 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 lots of reading. Read as many books as you can.
That was my next question. So, for all students, whether or not they want to be a writer or not, why is it important for all kids to read?
Well, I mean, you have to know how to read to be a functional adult. So I think that's the most important thing. But for me, why reading is so important is because it really just gives you a place of escape in your mind where you can go and have a really fun imagination. And kind of, if you're having a hard day or if you're feeling sad, you can always read a book and you can find yourself, feeling like you're in a better mood after you've read a book. That's how I feel, anyways. So I think that's why it's important to read. It just gives you a form of entertainment. And like I told my son, like I tell him all the time, usually books are sorry, I should say movies and shows are usually a book first. So it's really important to make sure that you're reading for educational reasons, but also just for your own mental health too.
Well, and Apollo Beach K-8 students, one thing that I realized too as an adult is some of my favorite books to read are still picture books. So you're never too old to enjoy a picture book. And Jocelyn's books have given me so much joy and made me laugh so much that I'm super excited to have more of her work out there in the world for students like you. So, Jocelyn, thank you so much for joining us today. I really appreciate what you do in making kids laugh and grown-ups.
Thank you so much, Amy, and see you later, kiddos.
Bye.